All right, good morning. So I can you can see the video. That's the recorded lecture that we will, if by any chance due to the problem of the college, if you missing the classes, so you'll be able to take care when if you don't have any data pack or something, you'll get the recorded lecture. I'm sorry once again that you are facing this problem. That's all I can say. Okay, but yes, knowledge should not stop. ज्ञान की कभी रुकावट नहीं आनी चाहिए. So I would like to say one thing. I would like to say one more thing that to you. So as you can see that it's a problem is happening in the college. So once again, the learning should not stop. So that's why I'm telling to everybody that we're going to do this recorded lecture so that you can able to see this recording whenever you have a time and you can take a look at very carefully. So let's share the screen. That's about the brandy, and we'll take a look. How does it look like? How does a brandy taste, and how the brandy is manufactured? Yeah, so you can see the screen at this point of time, and this is just to make you understand one simple thing that just a moment, people. All right, sorry. So that's the thing you have to understand. This is a brandy. Brandy, आप यहाँ पे picture में देख सकते हो. Brandy is something which is obviously made from the grapes. So you can see the picture over here. So brandy is made from grapes, and grapes, it can be anything, but brandy is a product of France. So that where the brandy basically comes from. Now, to put thing in a proper way, that we make the wine first, and then we distill the wine, and then the brandy is made. So obviously this brandy जो है, इसको कहा जाता है, क्या नाम है, जला हुआ वाइन या फिर burnt wine के नाम से. We know this brandy as a burnt wine, jala hua wine, because we burn the wine, right? And what it is come into, it comes into a the brandy. So this is the beauty of brandy manufacturing. What you have to understand that what is a brandy is actually, the brandy is a spirit that is made from grapefruit juice, and it is also made from the fruit pulp. Now remember one thing, brandy in France made from grapes, but there are lots of other country who makes the brandy in different methods. So let's take an example. There is a brandy in France also, which is known as a Calvados. Calvados is a brandy that is made from the apples. So now what is the basic concept right now stands? Brandy is something which is made from grape. That is fine. But there are other also brandies which is made from different kind of fruits. These are also known as a fruit brandy. Then it is not known as a brandy, but a fruit brandy. Please try to understand the concept. When I say it's a brandy, it means it is made from grapes. अगर वो brandy है तो वो grapes ही बन रहा है. But अगर वो brandy नहीं है, if it is not a brandy, कुछ और है, but it is made from a fruit, then it will be known as a fruit brandy. So Calvados is a fruit brandy. Same way, there is something called Pisco from Chile, which is also come from the Chilean country, and that is also known as a brandy. So this is the biggest important thing you have to understand. So there is a huge difference between brandy and the fruit brandy. Okay. It is also known as eau de vie. So you can see EAUXDEVIE. So that's called AUDEVI. So eau de vie. That's you can pronounce this thing. Eau de vie, right? So if in examination it's come these questions like what is eau de vie? It's not ox de vie, it's eau de vie. Eau de vie is nothing but a brandy, which is also known as a like your fruits, which is made from fruit. That is the French name is basically known as an eau de vie. But yes, eau de vie is only popular in France. Like in France के बाहर आप निकलोगे, everybody in the world known as a brandy. Right. We go to the next slide, which says two types of brandy. So in the world, there are two types of brandy. One is a cognac and one is an armagnac. Both are brandy, but the production method, the quality of grapes that has been used to manufacture brandy Cognac and Armagnac is completely different. इतना ही समझना. बाकी आप सब लोगों को तो मालूम है वही सेम कहानी है, एकदम वेरी इजी एंड सिंपल. मतलब वही हमने ग्रेप जूस निकाला, उसको फर्मेंटेशन किया तो वाइन बन गया. वाइन से हमने उसको डिस्टिल किया. फर्स्ट distillation low alcohol, second distillation more pure alcohol. So this is the fact. Also concept same with the brandy. In the brandy there are two types, which is known as a cognac and what is known as an Armagnac. So cognac and Armagnac manufacturing process are lots of same, but the difference that will come is a variety of the grapes, variety of the brands, and the labeling language. That is what you need to understand. Manufacturing process, I told you once again, and I'll repeat once again, is completely the same. The manufacturing process which is started from whiskey is exactly same so far. थोड़ा थोड़ा changes हुआ है, जैसे कि वोडका में हो गया flavoring of sorry, gin में हो गया addition of flavoring which is known as a juniper berries. Otherwise, the rest of the thing is completely same. So that keep that flow chart in your mind. Cognac. Now here lots of terms, terminology will come that you need to keep in mind. You have to understand very, very carefully. First of all, cognac is something which is produced in the region of France. There is a place called Charente. Now this words is very important. ये सारे वर्ड से आपको बहुत सारे MCQ क्वेश्चंस आएंगे. Let's take an example. Charente, CHARENT. Charente is a place, a region or a department. जैसे कि समझ लीजिए हमारे जैसे मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ एग्रीकल्चर है, वैसे ब्रांडी को बनाने के लिए ब्रांडी इज सो elegant and at the same time it's very prestigious drink. It's a pride of second pride of France after champagne. So obviously the rules and regulation to protect the brandy is very high. जैसे कि समझ लीजिए the pride of India, if you talk about beverages, it's nothing but a Darjeeling tea. तो सेम वे बट दार्जिलिंग टी के लिए हमारे देश में जो रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन है आपको मालूम है, आपको मैं उसके बारे में कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता. बट इफ यू टॉक अबाउट cognacs in France, it's very very strict and very very controlled. So the government of France people, they all come over here and they prepare this drink, and that's the thing how will happen. So Charente Maritime, that's the department where the this thing will happen. Okay. Then you got a grapes. What are the grapes are there and the regions? So these are the wine region. मैंने कोशिश किया यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा हिंदी और बंगाली और Caribbean language को mix करने की. So Grand Champagne, Petit Champagne. Then you got Bordeaux. Then there's something called Finboa. There's something called Bonboa, and there's something called Bon Ordinaries. So Finboa, Bonboa, Bon Ordinaries, and Bordeaux. So these are the biggest classifications of the cognac wine regions. Okay. So Grand Champagne, Petit Champagne, Bordeaux, Finboa, Bonboa, and Bon Ordinaries. So you can see those syllables are broke already. Please read according to that. Okay. These are the regions where the cognac is produced. I'm talking about cognac right now, not Armagnac. Okay. Now exactly the same thing. आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो production method, how it has been made. It's very easy to look. Let's take an example. First is fermentation. Now in the fermentation, there is a grape. You harvest the grape, and this grape has come from the village, and you take out the juice. Okay. So once the juice has been made and the fermentation is done, then you put this fermentation in a distillation, which is here it is happening. First distillation in your pot still, and the second distillation is 1 second on the pot still, but strength of the liquid always high. Then सबसे important आता है कि आपका maturing or aging. ब्रांडी जब पहले अपना अल्कोहल बन के आता है, दैट देन इट इज लुक्स लाइक कंप्लीटली व्हाइट स्पिरिट, बट ग्रेजुअली इसका टेस्ट चेंज हो जाता है, इसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है, जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज बीन एज्ड फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. देयर आर सम ब्रांडीज व्हिच इज एज्ड फॉर मोर देन 20-25 years. we'll learn about that also. And finally when it has been done, then it has been done as a blending. इसका blending होता है, blending के बाद we will do bottling, and finally the game is over, right? So that's the fermentation. You can take a look here. It's happening. It's bottled, and then it's been blended, and then it has been maturation is happening. Okay. Yes, that's also an important thing. The cellar master, which is known as a that person is known as a maitre d'chai. Maitre d'chai, the cellar person who done this blending job. This is very interesting thing to understand. The production method में जो सबसे important चीज है कि प्राइमरी जो ग्रेप्स यूज होता है वो है हमारे सेंट एमिलियन, उग्नी ब्लॉ, फोले ब्लॉ एंड कोलम्बार्ड. आई रिपीट अगेन, सेंट एमिलियन, उग्नी ब्लॉ, फोले ब्लॉ एंड कोलम्बार्ड. नाउ सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है यहाँ पे जे आफ्टर द जूसेस आर बीन एक्सट्रैक्टेड दे बीन अलाउड टू फर्मेंट फॉर 7 to 10 days, 7 से 10 दिन तक उसकी फर्मेंटेशन होती है, स्लो फर्मेंटेशन. After that, there is an alcohol which has an alcoholic strength of 8 to 10, which is a wine once again. And then we distill that. That is happened in the 1st of November to 31st March. Is the pot distillation. ये जो containers है, ये जो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पे कॉपर का, this is something very special, which is like pot still whiskey में होता है. Pot still will happen in your any other rums and all everything, but over here it's completely different story. Alembic is a type of distillation. ये जो pot आपको दिख रहा है, ये अलादीन की तरह ये जो pot दिख रहा है आपको कॉपर का, this is known as a alembic or Charentais. यहाँ पे इसकी distillation होती है. But this is the very interesting thing to understand, that this is the only spirit in the world which use this copper method, right? So that is the pot distillation that's happened. Once again, the same thing is showing over here, right? Okay. And then once the first distillation is done, then first distillation के बाद क्या होता है कि आपको एक थोड़ा सा ये वेपर निकलेगा obviously, and that vapor has been कंडेंस, और जो आपको कंडेंसेशन जो आएगा दैट इज नोन एज अ ब्रूलीज, बुहेई, और फ्रेंच पीपल से बुहेई और ब्रियोलीज. ब्रियोलीज इज अ फर्स्ट अल्कोहल, फर्स्ट डिस्टिलेशन के बाद जो अल्कोहल निकलेगा कंडेंस करने के बाद, दैट इज नोन एज अ ब्रियोलीज. Now, Briolis is something that has a 26 to 32% of alcohol content, and it's got a very unpleasant smell. आपको नाक में देती है ऐसा लगेगा, oh my god, this is so horrible. So that is a very milky liquid, but Brewleys is not being sold in the market because it's not that quality of branding. उसको वापस डिस्टिलेशन किया जाएगा. मैंने फिर से कहा था, पॉट स्टील डिस्टिलेशन में क्या हो रहा है आपका, जब आपका पॉट स्टील डिस्टिलेशन होता है, पहला डिस्टिलेशन इज ऑलवेज प्रोड्यूस अ लो अल्कोहल एंड इट्स गॉट अ मोर ऑफ वाटर. But the next distillation when happen, it produce a high amount of alcohol with a very less amount of water. So it has got lots of water, that's why the alcoholic strength is less. But here, the second time this pot still the distillation happened, and it has happened in Bon Chauffe. That distillation is known as a Bon Chauffe, and the Bon Chauffe is a place where the second distillation happens, then it will convert it into a very high strength alcohol. So now आपके समझ में आ रही होगा ये पिक्चर जो मैंने यहाँ पे दिखाया है, ये this is the main container. The wines are stored here. You hit the wine, hit the wine, the distillation vapor will come. This is called swan neck. Swan मतलब पता नहीं हिंदी में क्या होता है. So there is a राजहंस आप बोल सकते हो उसे. And that has been passed from here, and it will go to this area, right? Where the first boiler distillation will happen, and then it has been condensed over here. ठीक है? So ये जो है आपकी जो snake की तरह ये जो coil होके रखा है, this is known as a serpentine. This is known as a serpentine. Okay, that is serpentine, and the other ones that we have it here is known as your क्या बोलते हैं उसको अपना alembic. Alembic and Charentais is this one, and the rest of the others, and the rest of the others is also known as your like alembic still, and the next of the others is known as a Bon Chauffe. So Bon Chauffe and alembic में difference समझ में आ गया. Both are absolutely same, but since it is a France, they have a big pride in producing the brandy. So इसमें क्या हो रहा है कि पहला जो distillation होता है आपका हमारा वो होता है alembic या फिर Charentais में, and the next distillation जो आपका होगा that will happen in your Bon Chauffe. That's the second distillation process. जो ब्रूलीज आपका निकलेगा उसको हम इसके अंदर फिर से बॉयल करेंगे just to redistill once again. So as you can see, Bon Chauffe में जब final alcohol production हो जाता है, उसके बाद you got this variation. Now, whenever an alcohol is being propagated, when an alcohol produce जब पैदा होता है तो उसके हमेशा 3 पार्ट होता है. One is head, heart and tail. मुझे पता नहीं आपको याद होगा या नहीं होगा, लेकिन हमने अल्कोहल बेसिक्स ऑफ अल्कोहल में ये चीज पढ़ा था मैंने, और ट्यूटोरियल क्लास में बहुत बार डिस्कस किया है. हेड्स को फ्रेंच में कहा जाता है टेटे, हार्ट को कहा जाता है लिकॉयर, एंड टेल्स को कहा जाता है क्यूए. रिमेंबर वन थिंग, ब्रांडी का जो टॉपिक है, इसलिए मैंने आज आपको रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर दिया है, और आज मतलब इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ये ब्रांडी में बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे टर्म्स है, इतने छोटे छोटे टर्म्स है, इसको 1 या 2 मार्क्स में एग्जाम में आता है। जैसे कोई कोई भी आपको पूछ सकता है व्हाट इज टेटे, right? So tete is something nothing but a head. Head and tail are comprised of your congeners, which I've already told you. If you drink this congeners, you have a very nice hangover. आपको चढ़ेगी ज्यादा, but लेकिन what will happen that you will not able to, you will if you drink more of this, seriously you're going to die. That's why it is written on the bottle. Doesn't matter the brandy may be the best drink on the planet. It is written on the bottle that drinking is injurious to health. It is also done with the champagne. Simply sorry. Now, next thing is the maturing. Now, here a very interesting thing happen in maturing or aging. जब हमारा जब मैच्योरिंग होता है, when the maturing starts, there is something called limousine cars. हमें पता है लिमोजिन कार के बारे में। फ्रांस में एक जंगल है, इस जंगल का नाम है लिमोजिन। जैसे हमारे जैसे एमपी में है बांधवगढ़ फॉरेस्ट, वेस्ट बंगाल में है सुंदरबन, एंड देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड काजीरंगा forest, there is something called Jim Corbett forest. At the same time, there is something called Limousin forest in France. तो लिमोजिन फॉरेस्ट इन फ्रांस, आप ये नीचे देख सकते हैं जो फोटो है, यहाँ की जो ओक्स होता है उसको लेके आ जाता है, एंड देन दैट इज बीन यूज्ड टू मेक अ ब्रांडी। अब ब्रांडी तो बन गया, तो ब्रांडी अब मैच्योर होगा। अभी मैच्योरिंग के टाइम पे एक इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट होता है ब्रांडी के साथ, जो साइंटिस्ट ने कोशिश किया है, बट व्हाई इट इज हैपनिंग इट इज नॉट बीन फाउंड। So basically what is happening, you can take a look at this picture. This jar or this casking airtight, completely airtight and completely controlled. But still, every year, look at this. पहला मैंने इतना fill up किया था, एक साल बाद देखिए ये कितना कम हो गया, उसके बाद ये फिर से कम हो गया। तो हर साल इस कास्को से थोड़े थोड़े करके एंड मतलब लाइक योर जो ब्रांडी है वो एवापोरेट हो जाता है। Now why it has happened you don't know, because it doesn't happen with whiskey, it doesn't happen with wine. पृथ्वी की दुनिया के कोई भी स्पिरिट के साथ इस ये चीज नहीं होता है, which is happens with the brandy, and probably that's the reason this thing is known as. So this is a natural phenomena. So that's why French people call this as angel shares. I repeat the word once again. Angel shares. इसका मतलब भगवान का ये दान है, हम भगवान को अपने ब्रांडी डेडिकेट कर रहे हैं बेसिकली। दैट इज व्हाट दे वांट टू से। इट्स अ फ्रेंच बिलीफ। फ्रांस के लोग ये सोचते हैं। जैसे हमारे देश में अगर कोई अर्थक्वेक होता है या फिर कोई भूकंप आता है तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम वी सेट ऑन द फ्लोर एंड वी प्रे टू द गॉड और प्रे टू द स्काई, प्लीज स्टॉप। आज भी जब हमारे घर में जब कोई तूफान आता है या फिर भयंकर बारिश होता है तो हमारे घर में क्या होता है, दादा दादी क्या करते हैं कि राम की नाम लेते हैं या फिर भगवान की नाम लेते हैं या घंटी बजाते हैं। सम ऑफ देम यू कोई हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ना शुरू कर देते हैं। सेम वे फ्रेंच पीपल हैज दिस बिलीफ, मे बी इट्स अ गिफ्ट ऑफ द गॉड, सो वी आर गिविंग दिस गिफ्ट टू अ गॉड, बट यस इट्स अ मिथ वंस अगेन। साइंटिस्ट हैव ट्राइड नाउ। आज के डेट में आई वाज रिसर्चिंग ऑन इंटरनेट, तो मैंने जो देखा डेटा स्लाइटली इंटरेस्टिंग था। वो बोल रहे कि ये मतलब अभी तक कंफर्म नहीं हुआ है, साइंटिस्ट ने अभी तक प्रूफ नहीं कर पाया, बट दे हैव गिवन दिस डेटा दैट मे बी इट इज गेट एवापोरेटेड जस्ट बिकॉज डिस्टिल्ड ग्रेप जूस, जब हम ग्रेप जूस को डिस्टिलेशन कर रहे हैं, मे बी उसका शायद वो कारण हो सकता है कि इट्स गेट एवापोरेटेड, बट इट इज स्टिल अनक्लियर हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल व्हेन अ कंटेनर और अ cask is completely airtight, completely controlled. How it is possible that it will just get evaporated just like that? This is the point which is still a myth. That's why people over there says it's a gift of the god, right? After this is blending happens, and when the blending happens, there is a gentleman, मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है Maitre de Chai. Maitre de Chai is a person that blends the brandy and followed by something called bottling, and now it's brandy is ready to drink. Okay. Uh, Maturing for cognac is 1.5 years, but it can mature up to 20 years also. Right now we have to understand couple of types of brandy. Now कुछ brandy के bottle के ऊपर आपको लिखा हुआ मिलेगा Grand Champagne. Grand Champagne मतलब क्या होता है कि this brand is entirely produced in Grand Champagne region. There is something called Petit Champagne. That means this brand is produced entirely in the Petit Champagne region. That they call fine champagne. मतलब 50% grand champagne, 50% petit champagne mixed together, and you can create a great fine champagne. So once again, आपने MCQ questions में देखा होगा, which you been solving from the paper. You have seen that what is fine champagne. Fine champagne means nothing but 50% grand champagne and 50% petit champagne, right? Okay. Leveling language, please इसको थोड़ा सा याद रख लीजिए. This is very important. There is something called AC. AC का मतलब किसी बॉटल के ऊपर अगर AC लिखा हुआ है ब्रांडी का, इट्स 2 years. VO मतलब very old, which is for 4 years. VS मतलब very precise, that's for 3 years. Then VSOP, very superior old pale. It means this has been aged is in 8 years in the wood. Young is the blend, and sometimes also can be aged up to 10 to 15 years and 20 years also. It's also known as a 5-star, the most expensive brandy on the planet, VSOP. Okay, मतलब जैसे हम लोग XYZ ब्रांड है, उसका कुछ VO भी हो सकता है, VS हो सकता है, same way there's something called VSOP. ठीक है, right? Okay. Extra old has got a minimum age of 8 years. There's something called Napoleon Extra or Valid Reserve. Napoleon had nothing to do with, but the name is that it's 4 years old, but generally much older than that. Napoleon was a French ruler. Probably that's the reason it is known as a Napoleon. Varietal, vintage, and what's the age? What's the age is figure out the age because how many years. So vintage, varietal, and what's the age? It's not a very important. Varietal made one type of grape. Now, आप cognac में देख सकते हो कि मैंने 4 grape का नाम बताया, which has been blended together. But in case of varietal, only one grape will be used. Like Colombard, only one. या तो फिर उसका Ugni Blanc, anything can be done. ये आपके ब्रांड नेम्स है, आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे. देखिए ये जो हेनेसी का बॉटल है, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है एक्सो, मतलब एक्स्ट्रा लार्ज, व्हिच मींस दिस वाइन हैज बीन एज्ड फॉर more than 5 years. Something called VS, very special. So that's the labeling language with that. There's some world famous bands like Hennessy, Thames, Moet, Hein, Curavissar, Otard, Mortel, and Remy Martin. Right? Okay. That's about the cognac. So cognac is basically made from grapes, blend of grapes, and then we got a fermentation process, distillation, double distill in your pot still. One is known as a Charentes, one is known as a Bon Chauffe, and the first liquid that comes known as a Brulees or Bouilly, and then uske baad usko hum fir se distill karte, and we get the real picture of how does it look like. Okay. This is the main fact you have to understand about the branding. All right. Now we go to the next topic, which says that Armagnac. So Armagnac is another one. Now Armagnac is not being so much famous just because one thing that cognac is there. That's a very simple thing that Saurabh Ganguly and Sachin Tendulkar opened a lot, right? But people always want to see the batting of Sachin Tendulkar because we all know that Saurabh Ganguly is not as great as Sachin Tendulkar. So obviously कॉनियाक होने के कारण लोगों ने एर्मेनाक को अवॉइड किया है फ्रांस में. एर्मेनाक को इतना प्रमोट नहीं किया जाता जितना कॉनियाक को आज प्रमोट किया जाता है. बट यस पीपल नो, मतलब वी हैव टू नो बिकॉज इट इज इन द सिलेबस. सो जैसे हमने देखा था कि brandy is manufactured in the department of your Charente. Same way this one is manufactured in the department of Gers. Gers. Zer is the brand where it has been manufactured. Please hold on for a while. Hello. Yes. हाँ जी बोलिए. बोलो बोलो बोलो. Okay. So listen, right now I'm inside a class. जो अदर सर फ्री है, immediately आप उसे कॉल immediately. Okay. Okay, sorry, there was an interruption. Really apologize for this thing. Now we got a Gers department where the Armagnac has been manufactured, and उसके अंदर ये आपके सारे grapes है. One is your Saint-Emilion, Paulet Blanc, Bacco Blanc, and Colombard. Okay. Exam में कभी आ सकता है. What is Bacco 2020? So please 222. That please understand it's nothing but the same story. So what are the wine regions of Armagnac जहाँ पे Armagnac produce होता है? One is your Basse Armagnac, one is your Tanneresi, and one is your Haut Armagnac. So Haut Armagnac, Tanneresi, and Basse Armagnac. These are the regions where the Armagnac is being produced. Okay. Now that's how it is. So Armagnac production, it's exactly the same like a cognac. We got a fermentation, we got a distillation, we got a then it has been distilled in a pot still, but till uh, I mean like इससे पहले तक तो ठीक था, but after that it has been converted to pot still. इससे पहले permitted to use a pot still. इससे पहले इसको patent still में use किया जाता था. Okay, मतलब 1973 से पहले. Aging and blending is also been done over here and exactly the same. I mean कोई difference कुछ नहीं है इसमें जो अपने cognac में पड़ा था. Only region, grapes and नाम का change हो जाता है बस. जैसे we have seen that the limousine cask has been used to manufacture Armagnac. Same way, you can see that there is a Montlezun. Montlezun is a cask in which this brandy has been matured. It attains the color. It has got a high sap of tannin and oak inside the this woods, and that's the reason it's got a very tannic flavor. Okay, 8 to 10 years of aging and fully mature after 20 years. Yep. Now, these are some leveling languages. 3 star. 3 star should be a minimum age of 1 year, but it should be minimum 3 years in UK. Okay, right? This is the UK rule. Then once again, VO and VSOP, that's for the 4 years. And the Grand Reserve, Napoleon XO, exactly the same thing, which is also matured for 5 years. And most of the Armagnacs, जो सबसे important चीज आपको यहाँ पे जानना है, Armagnac की जो bottle है, that has been sold in this kind of flat bottle. ये flat bottle दिख रहा है आपको? यहाँ पे इसको बेचा जाता है, इसलिए इसका नाम है Basquez. इसका नाम क्या है? Basquez. BASQAISE. Basquez. All right. These are some brands of Armagnac. This Janeu, Champé, Chabot, Lobet, and Chamalin. So you can see all the bottles are flat. This is the very, very beauty of Armagnac bottles. That's how they get distinguished from the cognac. Okay. This is a very important exams में बहुत बार आता है ये चीज और शायद आपके साथ भी आ जाए. तो what is the difference between Armagnac and cognac? So when you write a difference, जब किसी आप difference लिखोगे, मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि ऐसे I'll take a class how to write an exam paper when the exam approaches. ये देखिए आपको पहले point लिखना होगा. इस point के ऊपर मैं differentiation दूंगा. One is region, Grand Champagne, Petit Champagne, Fin Boa and Bon Boa. Armagnac का ये regions है, grapes उसके अंदर ये सारे हैं, and here you have got almost same. I mean like देखिए यहाँ पे सारे grapes ही यहाँ पे आ रहा है. Only difference क्या है यहाँ पे? Baccarat Blanc बोल के एक नया grape है which has been introduced here in Armagnac. Aging, it is in limousine cask. It's called Montlezun cask. Distillation is in pot still twice. Previously it was in pot still, but now it has been patent still में हो रहा है अभी. Department, sorry, I said it wrong. हाँ, पहले pot still में था, उसके बाद patent still में हुआ था. Please pardon me for this. Department for the cognac, where the cognac has been manufactured, it is known as the Charentaise, and department for the Armagnac, which has been Armagnac has been manufactured, is known as Gers. So Gers and Charentaise. So ये आपके 5 पॉइंट 5 नंबर पक्का आपके. प्लीज इसको ध्यान से याद रखिएगा. ऐसे पॉइंट्स लिख के आप लिखेंगे तो आपका एग्जाम में कुछ नहीं हो सकता. हाँ, रिमेंबर वन थिंग, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे स्मॉल सेंटेंस शॉर्ट राइटिंग किया है. हाँ, आप प्लीज ये शॉर्ट राइटिंग मत करना. यहाँ पे लिखना है ऐसे कि Armagnacs are matured in Montlezun cask and cognacs are matured in limousine cask. इसको थोड़ा ध्यान में रखना. ऐसे शॉर्ट सेंटेंस में लोगे तो एग्जामिनर आपको काट देगा. Doesn't matter if you write 20 points. So no WhatsApp language, no short language. Please write a proper sentence. I am ordering you this thing. If you don't do it, surely, if this paper comes to you, I'll just straight away do 0. Might be other teachers will give it a number because we're not respecting the paper. What is this? This simple short languages. Please don't do it. Okay, right? Now, most interesting to understand that as मैंने पहले कहा था कि जो brandy grape से बनता है वो तो brandy है. लेकिन there are some also in the world in the brandy which is made from fruits and other things. That is also known as a brandy. Let's say for example Calvados. Calvados France का ये brandy है लेकिन apple से बनता है. Wine brand is something is made from peers, that's from Germany. Corbel, Paul Mason, Christian Brothers, all these things that comes from USA. Pisco, it's type of a brandy that comes from Chile. So these are the bottles you can take a look. So all the countries more or less produce a brandy, but all of this known as a fruit brandy. Brandy will be called only brandy if it is made from France region. Now, fruit brandy, there is something called Silvovitz. Silvovitz is a fruit brandy that's made from plums. That's from Serbia and Croatia. Then Tuica. Tuica is a brandy that is made from Romania. It is a blend of different several fruits, apricot, pears, and apples, and everything. Okay. Finally, the most interesting part, storage and serving. Brandy is always stored away from lights and all because it's got a very strong odor, and that's the reason it's been stored in a 15 to 18 degrees Celsius and also served at a room temperature. Brandy balloon, hot water. People prefer to have brandy with a hot water. And finally, the most important thing is that why we use a brandy balloon. ये ग्लास ऐसा क्यों है, ये बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्टर है, इस चीज को थोड़ा समझ लीजिए. देखिए, brandy के basically दो glass होते हैं. We all know this one, the second one, that is known as a brandy snifter. And there is something called brandy tulip also. Now, there is a two occasions. Suppose you want to serve brandy to a guest, which is in France में क्या होता है, when there is a celebration occasion, then you will serve this brandy in this kind of glass, which is known as a brandy tulip. But when you serve the brandy in a brandy balloon, the reason behind that is that, देखिए, when you have a big surface area, if you put the brandy, अब अगर आप इस glass के अंदर brandy डालोगे, what will happen? This brandy will immediately release the aroma. But लेकिन aroma बाहर नहीं जा पाएगा because the edge is very small. It gets trapped inside. The surface is big, so brandy falls down here. इस surface में जैसे वो hit करेगा, वो अपना aroma निकालेगा, but the aroma will not go out. But इसका जो area है, यहाँ से आप you can easily smell the brandy like this. You can smell and you can drink. So that's how the brandy snifter, or we can also call it as a brandy balloon. Looks like a balloon, huh? And you can sniff like a dog is actually sniffed. So that's why the thing is that brandy snifter, the word escape. Just go about the storage and serving. So remember the temperature. At the same time, remember the why a brandy balloon. All right. Thank you very much. Stay safe and well. Any question that you have, please put me on a WhatsApp, or you can message me. I'll just happy to give the answers. So that's the recorded lecture for the day. Thank you very much.